I'm Magic Phil, and I'm here at Odyssey Reggio Preschool. Let's go and explore. Wow, this is a magic room. Gonna be like a builder.
Yeah, we should build that.
You're going to build?
Yeah, we're going to
Look at this. Whee! We're gonna build a house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're hammering it. Whoa, this is so much fun. And it can be rolled out like this. You find these all the time at the seaside, at the beach.
Here you go.
Whoa, what have you found?
I noticed the shell.
Ooh, smell them. Smell the flowers.
Look, I found one shell.
Soft, isn't it? But if you wet it like this, you'll make it a bit softer. Let's do some building. What? Do you know what this picture is on the wall?
A forest. Whoa, everything.
Do you know what it is?
Everything is.
No, it's a pyramid, don't we?
But look.
Everything's purple. Wow, look at the lights. Everything's turned purple. That is a big one, isn't it? What about making a shadow? Should we make a shadow? What about this? Look.
I can't like this. And wait, guys. Meow, meow, meow.
Can you do the... Oh, the dog's coming. Oh, look, we've got this shape. This is a good start, isn't it? Gentle, let's carefully. Yeah, what have we got?
I want to bring the dog.
You can build that one as well. Yeah, of course you can. Let's go. How fast can we go? Oh, whoa, over the bridge. Whoa, wow. Whoa, ooh, ooh. Uh-oh. Wow. Whoa. Who's ready to plant some seeds? It's soil. Well done. And then what do we need to do once we've planted our seeds? Whoa. That's the spade. There it is. Let's dig. Are we filling up the cup?
I just already put
I'll help you. You ready? This is soil. This is what you see outside in the ground, in the garden. This is... I found a pen. That's not meant to be in there, is it?
I found a stick.
You found... Wow, a big spoon, that one.
And I found this.
Okay, now we've got the watering can now as well. Yeah, that's a rake as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to water your plant, okay, Chloe? Yeah? And we go, whee! We add some water. Whoa! That's a lot of water. Let's hold it and we water. We go, whoa! There we go, just a little bit. Hello, friends! I'm gonna make a shape. Do you know what this is?
A shell.
It's a shell. Where would you find a shell?
In the beach.
On the beach, yes! Let's see if we can make a shape. Should we see? Wow. Do you know what this is? It's cinnamon. Look, can you smell it?
I like white and red and pink and purple, red.
That's a lot of colours. That's like the whole rainbow. Yay! That's why he likes the colour blue. Diamonds, how many diamonds can you count?
But there's some rainbow diamonds. 1,
There's lots of different colours.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Your counting is amazing. Can we wave our hands? Can we go, ah! Yay! I love this light box. Look at this, you can see all the different colors and the reflection of the lights. I can build my own little multicolored city. Look at this. I could even mix the colors. Red, yellow, makes orange. Yay! This is awesome. Whoa! A pirate ship! Let's go make some new friends! Whoa! 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 Is this for me? Arr! The cow, is this a cow?
It's pig.
It's a pig. Can we wave? Can we say, hello, piggy? Piggy, a cuddle. Can we have a cuddle? Yay! High five. Ah! What was that? Where's he gone? Did you see him? Where did he go? Where? Oh, I can't see the chicken anymore. Because I don't know where the crocodile is. I don't know where is. The crocodile. Get the... High five. Good job. Good job. Awesome. High five. Way. Well, I've had so much fun here in the atelier. This is like a workshop full of fun. Full of fun. We found lots of treasures. It was just like being back at home in my own little village. Maybe you should come over one time and learn through nature.